Top 5 clear signs are you used or real love? Here are 5 key signs that can help you distinguish between being used in a relationship and experiencing genuine love. Signs of being used. One-sided effort. You consistently put in more effort, time, and resources into the relationship than your partner does. They may take advantage of your generosity without reciprocating. Lack of emotional intimacy. Your partner may be physically present but emotionally distant. They avoid deep conversations, rarely initiate affection, and seem more interested in their own needs. Conditional love. Your partner's affection and attention are based on what you can provide for them, such as material possessions, emotional support, or social status. Disrespectful behavior. Your partner disregards your feelings, opinions, and boundaries. They may criticize, belittle, or manipulate you to get their way. Isolation. Your partner may try to distance you from friends and family, limiting your social support and making you more dependent on them. Signs of real love. Mutual respect. Your partner values your thoughts, feelings, and opinions. They treat you with kindness and consideration. Emotional intimacy. You feel safe and supported to share your deepest thoughts and feelings with your partner. They actively listen and respond with empathy. Shared goals and dreams. You and your partner have compatible life goals and aspirations. You support each other's dreams and work together to achieve them. Open communication. You can openly discuss your needs, wants, and concerns with your partner. They are receptive to feedback and willing to compromise. Unconditional love. Your partner loves you for who you are, not for what you can do for them. They accept your flaws and support your growth. Remember, these are just general signs, and every relationship is unique. Trust your instincts and pay attention to how you feel in the relationship. If you feel consistently undervalued, disrespected, or drained, it may be time to reevaluate the situation.